Hey guys, I feel like I always start every video by saying that it's been forever since I filmed my last video, but it really has been forever. I think it was the last Christmas one. I was just gonna recreate a makeup look I did for a wedding in July. I'm just gonna go off the picture because I don't remember everything I used. But I used a ton of different products, so I thought I would make a video. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna take the ABH Brow Wiz in Ebony, which is the darkest shade. I've already taken the spoolie and brushed out my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my brows with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this one is in medium sand, and I'm just gonna take this little, this little square brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my eyes with the same concealer. Okay, we're back now after scrubbing that dang concealer off the shirt and my legs. Now I have to hold on to the concealer really good. This is so hard. Okay, same concealer. Just don't freaking drop it. Okay. And then now I'm just gonna take this brush and rub it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. And to start off, we're gonna go with this third in the middle right here, and we're gonna put this all over the eye. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a Morphe blending brush and just put that mainly in the crease, but just kind of brush it over your whole eye. Okay, you want to pack on the color so you can see there's like a light yellow wash. It's more of like a beige yellow, but you just want to get that wash of color on your eye. Okay, and then to get more of that yellow little beige color, we're going to take a smaller brush. So this black one is a little smaller. It's still a fluffy blending brush, but this one's a little smaller. Okay, and then this one we're just going to use to focus mainly on the crease. Okay, so now we're going to take this flat brush and we're going to get this bright yellow right here. And we're going to mainly focus that on the center of the eyelid. Okay, so like I said, you mainly want to focus this in the center because we're still going to add some color to the outer parts and the inner parts. Okay, so now we're going to get this fourth color on the top row, this orangey color, and we're going to start on the outer corner. Okay, so we're going to start on the outer corner, but you don't want to get too close to the center because then you don't want to wash out the yellow. And then kind of work yourself up. Okay, so I forgot to set my eyebrows. So I'm going to take the little color bar. No, color pop. No, that's not a color bar. Okay, so I forgot. I forgot to say that I forgot to reset my eyebrows. And I'm going to take the Color Pop Brow Gel. And it's like this little white consistency. And I'm just going to do that real quick because my eyebrows hairs are going everywhere. Okay, so to make it look not like a hot Cheeto, we're gonna add a little brown to the outer corner. So we're gonna combine this first one in the second column, or in the second row, with this fourth one in the third row. So we're just gonna get a little bit of both, and then we're just gonna put that in the outer corner, in the inner corner. Okay, so now that we finished this up, we're gonna add this gold to the center, and then once we blend that out, I'm gonna add a little with my finger, and then we're gonna add just a tiny bit of this right in the center of the center. Okay, so now we're going to prime our face. We're going to use a No Pore Blim Primer, the Smooth and Pore Covering. Top Secret for Perfect Makeup by Touch and Soul. So this is just a little pink primer, and we're just going to add a little bit and prime our face. Okay, so my scars are a little more red right now because of the sun. So I'm going to color correct. This is just the Ulta Beauty Color Correct. Okay, so now we're going to use the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the color 140 Light Tan, and then this is just the EcoTools little teal brush they have. Sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal under the eyes just a little bit because I feel like this is really full coverage. This is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and this one is in 355 vanilla. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit under on my under eyes. Okay, honestly, I'm not a big fan of concealer under the eyes for like regular use, but I feel like when you do like a nice eyeshadow look, if your face isn't a little highlighted, then it just doesn't look good. Okay, my skin's really dry right now, so I'm not gonna go do the whole baking for like 10 minutes, have your whole face white. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit to the lid, and I'm just gonna brush a little bit over my face just so I can set it just a little bit. Like I said, if you're oilier, I mean, go ahead, add all the powder in the world to your face. My skin is just really dry. Okay. Yeah, I wish I get concealer and I got powder all of this. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty new bronzer. This one is in Shady Biz, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Even if the color was ugly, packaging, perfect. Okay, and I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush for this. So for blush, I'm gonna use my little Ride or Die. This is Tarte, and it's called Party, and this is just a really pretty muted, like mauve pink. And we're just gonna put that all over the cheeks. And then with the blush, I kind of go upwards just so it's not like your bronzer and then like little splotches of blush. So I kind of make it go up with the bronzer. Okay, so now we're gonna take this Pretty Vulgar and Morphe highlighter brush, and this is the highlighter in 41 Glimmers of BS, and then it's a pretty, I don't know, it's like a pearly kind of pinky, I don't know, it's pretty. And then we'll just apply that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the lower lash line, and we are going to take that same yellow that we used, and we're gonna do it just to the center of the lower lash line. Okay, so now we're gonna take a little bit of that orange mixed with this brown, and we're gonna put that on the outer and the inner of the lower lash line. And then I'm also gonna connect it to the outer of the eyeshadow that we put. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to use this second shade that's like a little pearly color, and we're just going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, so I've already curled my eyelashes, and now we're going to apply the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and then we'll get our lashes ready. You've got to be kidding me. But now we're going to move on to lashes. These are the Kiss 11 ones. I already took them out, but this is kind of what they look like. This one looks a little janky, but you get the idea. So we are just going to put lash glue on them, and I'm going to use the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins in Dark. So I'm going to add that to my lashes and let it dry for a little bit. So for lips, I'm going to do the Ofra. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is in Verona. And this is just a really pretty brown-ish color. Okay, so now for the last step, we are using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is really sticky, so if you don't have any like problems area, this makes a really good primer too. So we are just gonna spritz. Thank you guys so much for watching the video of the wedding makeup look that I recreated, and if you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.